Hello guys, my name is Michael and welcome to the second tutorial of our GMenu object or widget. In the last video we saw how we can create these items and put them inside our menu. In this video now we are going to concentrate ourselves in creating the actual menu which we needed. So for this, the first thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to make some modification, because if not it will grow too much and we don't really need something like that. So I'm going to create a function which is called static void create menu item, and of course here what do we need the menu. Let's say menu. Now the next thing which we need a label, so const gchar const label, and the next thing which we need a const gchar const detailed action. Okay, now let us create our, let me put it at right here. So what do we need? We need a GMenu item, and then the item, it will be GMenu item new, and here of course what do we need? We need a label and we need a detailed action. Now GMenu, I'm going to call append this time, which means we need at this point GMenu append GMenu append item, and we need a menu and we need an item, and then of course we need to drop the reference. Ref item. Okay, so now because we created a function, let's see, we declare an item, we create the item with the help of the label and the detail action, and then we put the item inside the menu with the help of the GMenu append item. Let me see where the function is. GMenu, not so much. GMenu, where is it? Append section, not section, append item, right here. It says append the item to the end of the menu. So CG menu insert item, that we see already how it was working. Now let me copy this and create our item. So the first item which we are going to create, it will be the new, which means GMenu. Oh, sorry, we need the menu. And then of course we need the label and detail action, which is this one right here. I'm going to copy it. Now because we have it, let us create another for, which is the open, and the next one which will be the save. I really need guys to create this one, because if not it will have, until we're done with this menu, we will have more than 500 lines of code if we don't make these changes like I'm doing right now. Okay, so now basically we can remove this one, and now we can remove the item, of course, because it will be created inside here. At this point what do we have? Let's see, we declared a menu and we create it, and then we pass the menu inside here to create 4 items with the help of create menu item, where we get the menu, we create the item, we put the item inside the menu, and because it is a copy like the function says, we can drop its reference, and let us see if it's working fine. If everything works fine, it should compile fine. Okay, here I forgot something. I don't know why it's not there, but we are missing some parentheses. Okay, let me compile it and run it again. So at this point, as you can see, it works fine. We have the new open, save and quit, which means works fine. Now let us create our menus. So now I'm going to declare 2 new menus. Let's say, you know what, I'm going to say file menu, and I'm going to say edit menu. Okay, now we are going to create them. The first one is the file menu, and the next one is the edit menu. And now let's see, here basically I'm going to make some changes. We are going to put those newly created items in the file menu, and of course I'm going to create 3 more items, 3 not 4. I'm going to say copy, cut, paste. Okay, copy. I need to buy a better mouse. Copy, cut, paste. And now the next thing which we need to call another function. I'm going to introduce it right now. It is called GMenu append submenu, which says convenience function for appending a submenu item to the end of the menu. So combine the GMenu item new submenu and GMenu insert item for more flexible alternative. Okay, so I'm going to call this one. It says it needs a menu, a label, and a submenu. So this is what we are going to do right now. I'm going to say the first thing which we need the menu, of course, because inside this menu we need to append those. The first menu, it will be called file, the same like here. See, we have file, we have edit, view, and so on. So this is what we are going to create right now. I'm going to create the file menu, and of course inside from the file menu we need the GMenu model file menu, and I'm going to make another copy of this one. I'm going to call it edit, and here it will be the edit menu. Now let me see if everything works fine. If everything looks fine, we declare a menu, a file menu, and an edit. We create the menu, file menu, and edit, and then we are basically create a menu item, or better say 4 menu items, which we put them all of them in the file. We create another, let's say create file items, and then we create edit items, and then append the menus to the main menu. Now, and then we're appending those 2 menus, the file menu and the edit menu. Yes, we need to create an edit menu here, not the file menu. And now, because we create those items for the file menu and for the edit menu, we are basically appending them with the help of GMenu append submenu, and we are give 2 names for each, the file and the edit one. Let's see if everything works fine. And as you can see, sorry, at this point we do have almost the same thing like here, file, edit. You see, we have file and we have edit, and at this point looks fine and everything works fine. I'm going to stop now with this video, and we are going to proceed with the next one in the next video. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.